Hey, it's Roman with Deer Park Farmstead. I'm going to show you our starts and how to prevent your starts from getting leggy. It can be a big problem, and I've gone through it, that's for sure. So this is something that really helps you guys, and it'll definitely save you from a lot of hassles. So check out how to keep your plants from getting leggy. So we're on the starts rack here, and check it out. We got 100% germ on all of our plants. Isn't that incredible? Back here, we got some more back here. Tomatoes. These are all the tomatoes. Peppers on this side. I can't believe it. It's just, I mean, I didn't expect 100%. I expected pretty good germ with Johnny's seeds, but this is awesome. As you can see, I have to crouch down in here just to get a good view of these. And there's a reason, because these lights above, they're just Costco LED lights. And I also have some other types here. This is just what I had when I started. These are some other plants that we have. The artichokes, again, 100%. And this is the loofah. Look how big those are. Look how close they are to the dirt. We haven't touched these, and they are staying nice and close, compact to the dirt, because the lights are really close. Sorry, we have the chicks in here. Brooder. Let me just hatch some more. So, the lights need to be very close to these plants. The closer, actually, the better. If you even sense a bit of legginess, definitely put those lights even closer. I've got these maybe 5 inches, 6 inches from the pots. And we have to even sometimes make sure that this is coming at an angle this way if we have 4 plants, and vice versa on the other side. So it gives a good wide spread. And this back plant back here, you can see it's kind of angled. It's going towards that light. Should be straight up, but it looks like the ones on the side are kind of angling a bit, which is fine. They're not leggy back there. I also planted some more peppers. These are some really different types of peppers, hot peppers, that I wanted to try out from Baker Seeds. So we'll see how these come out. And then over on this side, more Baker Creek. This is the Chadwick Cherry and the Berkeley Tie-Dye. So I just put those in this morning. So we're gonna get those going. We just got a shipment of pots, and hopefully we'll get some more going here. I've got another start thing, and we want to definitely do some more lights here on the bottom part. I'll show you. This is the very bottom of the rack. So we want to put 2 more lights on this part to shine down and use these solo cups for more starts. We definitely want to perhaps try and sell some starts. We obviously have some really good, type of seeds and these starts would be definitely a good plant to have for your own farmstead. So got tons of gardens we get from friends. Yes, so we'd love to get our farm stand in front of our house going for some starts, eggs, and what have you, even the greens. Hopefully if we can get the greens going, that'll be going as well. I want to use that rack throughout the year. This is going to be something that, you know, I've been needing to do. So I want to use the rack for lettuce, and we'll be able to get that going. We're going to put some cauliflower in there, and my wife wants to do some bell peppers as well. So we've got a long way to go with these starts, and so we're just getting started. You know, the object here is to, you know, get started on the plants that are going to take longer, you know, and they, you know, 90 days perhaps, you know, so it's good to get started first. We've got a little ways to go. We've got snow on the ground over here, so we've got a ways to go. We'll definitely be able to use the tunnel sooner, but you know, it's going to take a while before we can get any plants in the ground outside of that tunnel. I want to put peppers in the tunnel, and of course I like putting my lettuces in there and any greens like that. I directly sow root crops and arugula because it only takes 30 days. So, you know, it's going to be a while before I start doing that. I don't really need to really get that going until, you know, it's a good time to maybe even do the starts in there, the peppers inside there. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, put them down. Talk to you soon.